a blood pressure bag?
It resembles a blood pressure bag. That's not what it is, though, bro. It's called airways, man.
Oh, really?
Not for that, man. All good, bro. You gotta escort me out or what? I'm good to go. All right. Chevron plate.